The new S-Class celebrates its world premiere at the Auto Shanghai 2017 with a gigantic light show and orchestral background. We have optical changes. The new multibeam LED headlights at 650 meters shine further than any other car. Then there is the energizing comfort, which enables you to choose between lighting, music, entertainment, fragrance, and a massage function. There are different programs, a vitality or a relaxation program. The new steering wheel is the command center of the new S-Class, and all functions are integrated. Autonomous driving also goes to the next level, making us the clear leaders in this area. Autonomous driving, no longer a vision of the future, but a spirit of innovation at Mercedes-Benz. All functions are now operated on the steering wheel. In the graphics menu of the instrument cluster, the driver can see at a glance which functions he has chosen. He also sees the situations the systems are reacting to. For example, the Distronic can support the driver in a variety of situations with route-based speed adjustments. In addition, Distronic uses considerably more map and navigation data. In combination with an improved camera and radar system, the new S-Class has even better visibility in traffic. A tap on the turn signal is now sufficient to start the lane change with the active lane change assist. First, the sensors check whether other vehicles are in the relevant safety area. If this is not the case, the assist performs the lane change on request autonomously within the next 10 seconds. If the driver does not actively take part in driving for too long, the active emergency stop assist detects this. It brakes the vehicle to a controlled standstill. It turns on the warning lights and a signal is heard. It then opens the doors and makes an emergency call. Another assist recognizes traffic signs. It combines image recognition with information from the navigation system. The system immediately displays maximum speeds, overtaking bans, or one-way streets. On driver request, it points out speed accesses. Mercedes-Benz is therefore autonomously ahead of its competitors with the new S-Class. And in terms of driving dynamics and optics, AMG is still the absolute top model. The performance brand launches the S63 4MATIC Plus directly with the facelift of the new S-Class. Performance meets luxury. Remember this expressive power.